Adjust your schedule. Mastering flexibility in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical and useful English phrase, adjust your schedule. Understanding this phrase not only helps you navigate daily conversations but also enhances your ability to adapt to changes smoothly. So, let's unravel the layers of this expression together, making your journey in learning English a bit more exciting and a lot more meaningful. Adjust your schedule means to change or rearrange your planned activities or appointments. This phrase is commonly used in both personal and professional contexts. When someone asks you to adjust your schedule, they are usually requesting you to find a new time for a planned activity due to a conflict or a more urgent matter that has arisen. Adjusting your schedule is a key skill in today's fast-paced world. It shows flexibility and adaptability, qualities that are highly valued in both social and professional settings. Being able to adjust your schedule means you can respond to unexpected events or opportunities without causing too much disruption to your or others' plans. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in real-life situations. 1. Workplace. Your manager might say, "Can you adjust your schedule to attend the client meeting tomorrow?" This means the manager is asking you to make time for an unexpected or rescheduled meeting. 2. School. A teacher could announce, "We need to adjust our schedule for the field trip due to the weather forecast." Here, the teacher is changing the plan to accommodate an external factor. 3. Personal plans. A friend might text, "I'm running late. Can we adjust our schedule and meet an hour later?" This is a casual request to shift your meeting time due to a delay. 1. Prioritize. Understand what's most important and make adjustments accordingly. 2. Communicate. Always inform those affected by the change as soon as possible. 3. Stay flexible. Keep an open mind and be ready to rearrange your plans to accommodate new situations. Adjusting your schedule is about being open to change and finding ways to accommodate it gracefully. We hope this explanation helps you understand not just the phrase, adjust your schedule, but also the importance of flexibility in daily life. Remember, the ability to adapt is a valuable skill, making life's unexpected turns a bit easier to navigate. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the beauty of English with us.